Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we are actually going to talk about water. It has become a big trend to drink 1 gallon of water, but the question is it really healthy? Okay, so let's start to talk about water and why we need water. The human body consists of about 60% water, and our blood, for example, contains approximately 83% water. Water is also important for our cells and tissues, such as our muscles, and by sweating, among other things, we lose water. So we need to have an intake of water to contain all that water in our bodies. Water is also a solvent that helps transport nutrients, mineral and oxygen to the right parts of our bodies. If we sweat a lot during a workout or during the day, we need to drink more water than we need when we are just sitting down and doesn't sweat as much. And do we sweat a lot and doesn't have the right intake of water, that means we might get the low level of hydration in our bodies. We also need various types of salts that we call electrolytes, and if we don't have that intake of all the electrolytes we need and only drink water, then that might mean that we will get an imbalance between salts and water. This can have a negative effect on our health and affecting nerve function, muscle function, organ function. But if we talk about 1 gallon of water, is that healthy or not? Actually, it can be too much for some people, and some people do need that much water daily, depending on what you do for a living or depending on how much you sweat or all that kind of things. The limit for how much water is enough is very different from person to person, which means it can vary a lot. To a more serious note, drinking a lot of water over a short period of time can cause water intoxication, meaning that the water level in our bodies becomes higher than the sodium levels in our blood. This is a life-threatening condition. Yes, too much water can be unhealthy. And on the other hand, if we drink too little water, we may become dehydrated, and that can also be a life-threatening condition. So the best thing we can do is to listen to our bodies, take in consideration how much we sweat during a day. Do we live in a very warm climate or a very cold climate? And listen to your body. Are your body thirsty? Then drink. Is it hard to drink more water? Is it a struggle to drink more water? Don't. Of course, there are exceptions to this, like older people doesn't have that natural signal anymore for knowing when they need to drink or not. So they have to be basically counting their water to be able to know that they are getting enough during a day. But as a normal functional person, then listen to your body. It will tell you more than you know. And I also want to say that we should consume water daily, and if we do lose a lot of water during the day, then it's important to fuel our body with water. And the perfect limits are different to everyone. We need to be considerate with ourselves and see how much do I need, and listen to our bodies to see what that perfect limit is. So yeah, 1 gallon of water might be too much for you if you are struggling with consuming that much water. So be considerate about that, and your body, listen to it, and it will tell you a lot. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope it gave you a lot less stress about drinking 1 gallon of water. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any thoughts or questions, write them down below, and I hope I will see you in the next one. Bye!